Python Dictionary breaking the laws of Python. When I do, I receive an output of. It's not only that some of my keys are deleted but also the value it was holding changed. Why is true given priority over another bool keys?
The three keys true, 1 and 1.0 compare equal to each other and all have the same hash, try hash true, hash 1 and hash 1.0, in the Python REPL, so they all correspond to the same slot in the dictionary. The last value to be set wins, maybe in this case. Note that if the keys weren't equal, they would be stored separately even if they hashed to the same slot in the dictionary.